Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, June 26th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So yesterday we had a very strong move to the upside, and I will be the first one to admit that I thought it was going to at least take out these lows before it continued up. I think the US dollar index would have been the pair to really watch yesterday because that made a very clear pullback. In hindsight, this definitely was a very, very clear three-way pullback. It just wasn't a very deep pullback. For me personally, I've been only looking for longs for weeks now, so I mean, I definitely would have been uh, not trying to short it anyways, but instead I definitely would have been looking for longs. Now, what am I doing today? I'm waiting patiently for more pullbacks. Whether or not we're going to get a pullback today or not, I don't know, but I do know that my next area of resistance is the 78% Fibonacci retracement from the daily time frame, which is right around the 1.175 area. I think there's a very good likelihood the euro dollar is going to make its way up here. Now, whether or not it's going to make a pullback before it gets up there is the question. And if it does make a three-way pullback, that is exactly where I will be looking to get in again, potentially for the continuation of this uptrend. It could be a wave 5 on the daily time frame, which means it could possibly end soon, or it could just be a subdivision of a much larger uptrend. Until the higher time frame market, tells us otherwise, I am doing nothing but looking for longs in an uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.